Good afternoon. This is Jona with your weekly grain market update for the week ending April 22nd, 2022. Corn futures shot out of the gate weaker and stayed there for the rest of the day. July corn futures closed down 6 cents at $7.89, while December corn futures closed down 14 cents at $7.25. Overall, futures felt like they went into consolidation mode with news remaining supportive, but moves higher slowed down. Weekly charts show futures are maintaining upward trends. Soybeans ended up finishing the week higher despite the big retreat in futures today. July soybean futures closed down 32 cents at $16.88, while November closed down 27 cents at $15.05. Futures remain well above major moving averages, but today we did test some trend lines. Both corn and soybeans don't want to give up acres, so we may see each market's trade activity follow one another. Chicago wheat closed down today, with September down 2 cents at $10.73. We started out the day with the big news out of Indonesia, which caused our soybean oil market to take off, and then also the big USDA flash sales. The U.S. is a lot more competitive this time of year than we usually are, thanks to the smaller crop in Brazil. But we still have the news out there Chinese demand may slow due to poor domestic crush margins. Other than that, the fundamental outlook looks the same, so we keep following the money flow. Some chatter to end the week that we'll see some folks dipping their toes into fields over the weekend and into next week. There's nothing new in wheat as we watch the drought issues in the U.S. and we're overpriced in world export markets. Argentina is working to harvest its corn crop and sees good to excellent ratings for corn and soybeans further deteriorate. The bullish factor of dryness in major safrinha areas in Brazil remains in place, so we'll see how forecasts look next week. Grain flow will continue to be sluggish in many areas, particularly in the east as they keep trying to chew through last year's crop. Rail bids continue to stink, and farmer selling slowed down to end this week. Many are holding off now until they start getting grain in the ground before selling more new crop. Thank you for listening and have a great weekend.